Thanks for tuning in to Caddyshack Studios. This is the Moron on a Motorcycle series. I've been trying to get my motorcycle license for a while and I've failed over and over again. I've wrecked so many times. God, my body's beat up. However, I've actually gotten a little bit better. I don't fail the test as badly. And we also have a disclaimer. We ask that you don't do what we're doing. You'll probably keep watching. You'll probably witness some video of me freaking wrecking. I wrecked out here yesterday. I tried to upload videos, but it didn't work. I'm going to try again, but I just wanted to get out here this morning as soon as I could before it got too hot. At any rate, this is the Moron on a Motorcycle series. My name is Rob, and I'm a moron. I don't have that much training. I'm relearning how to ride a motorcycle correctly, and I wrecked on the top of this hill yesterday, and I'm going to try it again today. I think it is because as I don't trust the bike and I have to hit it with some more speed. Okay, so here it is. Just a disclaimer, warning. Do not try this at home. Don't even watch this channel. We're a bad influence here at Caddyshack Studios. Stay away. Save yourself. Don't do this. We do recommend that you go out and try to find some adventure. Get something between you and that sofa. Find an addiction. Sometimes it's something that's very close to dangerous where you're like risking your life and limb. I mean, literally. But here we are at Caddyshack Studios. Let's see if I can make it this time. This is the part I wrecked last time. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Woo! Woo-wee! That was unnerving. Whew. Alright, it's Caddyshack Studios from Kernville, the year-round playground. And we're at one of their motorcycle tracks, and yesterday I rode that and I wrecked at the top. I ride currently like anywhere. I would, if there was like a scale, I think my riding is somewhere between like girly and a very cautious woman. And I know there's like rumors that I scream like a girl, but I actually think I scream like a woman now, so that was unnerving. But at any rate, let's keep this up. Let's see if this is still recording. No, I don't have to do that again. Uh-oh, yeah, it's still recording. So let me finish this, and then we'll go to the top, and we'll see if we can do it the other way, backwards or the other direction. All right, thanks for tuning in to Caddyshack Studios. July 1st, 2022. Learning how to ride a motorcycle. Well, maybe later I can speed up the film and make it look like I was hauling ass, because I'm telling you what, I'm not going very quickly. My friend Alex telling me, oh, I wrecked here yesterday too. As you can see, any kind of experienced rider would be like, this guy, he does drive. He's got more experience. Man, this is amazing. Ugh. The instructor said I should hold on to the handlebars like holding on to a bird. That's unnerving. I'm holding on to it like for dear life. I just gotta have a little bit more belief in my motorcycle, I guess. Well, that's what they tell you. But falling down is so painful. Oh, all right, this is our starting point from earlier. Woo! All right, thanks for tuning in. Caddyshack Studios, where we can't find neutral. Okay, so much for finding neutral.